How to see your Yahoo Mail login activity. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application on your device. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. And now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the Manage Accounts option. You will now see the option for account info under your name. Tap on that and further tap on the Recent Activity option. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to see all your account's recent activities. You can tap on a particular activity and review the activity, and if you find anything suspicious in the activity, you can also go ahead and change your password. So, this is how you can see your Yahoo Mail log activity. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.